asuntoskeittiö Tammelan portti.
Also amazing about was the address painting color.
Pinninkatu.
Pinninkatu 40 staircase.
38.
38 staircase.
B.
Please. I'm so confused. It was built in 1971 by ValmetSchlieren. We have filmed the other staircase in this building, but we also need the building 40 staircase. Which one do we need there? A. Yeah, December's VS 2762. And the basement floor structure will be cut inside it. Yeah.
No.
Or
This is the
no, it's this is
B.
B.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah. Two lines. So confused. It's because it was difficult to get here.
Yeah.
It's also in Tampere, Tampere, Finland.
Yeah. But you also said that it's from 60s.
But yeah, it was 1971.
Yeah.
Maybe, but I think maybe the number 4, building 40 is from 1960. I'm not sure. But
Yeah. Tippaakin vaan äsken, että meidän tentautussa on näydessä skriptissä.
that's it. Thank you very much.
That's